Markets, crude oil, gold, and silver all up. I'm Darren, and this is 3 things you need to know for Friday, February 16th. Japan has fallen down a spot to number 4 in the world economy rank, behind the US, China, and Germany, even with very loose monetary policy. With this, Japan is considered in a recession no matter how anyone wants to define it or redefine it. Of course, stocks rose on the narrative that Japan will now keep the easy money streak. According to the latest survey, retail sales fell a lot more than expected in January. All of this while the media keeps talking about a great economy and resilience. If you think the past month revision was down, you were right. December's reported 0.6% increase is now only 0.4%, only off by 50%. I told you about Japan's official recession. Add the UK to that club as well. For all of 2023, the UK's GDP only grew 0.1%, and that is the worst since 2009. Trade while sleeping across time zones with Arbitrage Trade Assist. Sign up today at arbitragetrade.com. Arbitrage Trade is your trusted source for business, finance, and tech info.
Why was I feeling depressed when I had so many reasons to be happy? Well, guess what? Anybody can feel down. But that's not the time to just put on a brave smile and pretend like nothing's wrong. It's the time to share your feelings with your friends, your parent, your favorite teacher. In the meantime, there's a resource that helped me get back on track. For some great clues about starting your comeback from depression, visit yourlifeyourvoice.org.
More chips, please. No, I'm not sitting at a poker table. Royce wrote about cheese, now Daniel writes about chips. I feel like some people around the office here are snacky. Daniel writes, in an ambitious stride that would make even the boldest Silicon Valley moguls pause, Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, is setting his sights on a colossal financial goal, raising between $5 to $7 trillion for a global chip expansion project. This figure is not just a number. It represents an endeavor 7 times the expected size of the 2030 chip sales, surpassing the market capitalization of tech giants like Apple and Microsoft combined, and amounting to a staggering 25% of the United States GDP. But many people wonder if it's a move that positions Altman as a visionary aiming to redefine the foundations of global technology infrastructure, or if it's just the move of a delusional Silicon Valley CEO. OpenAI, bolstered by a $13 billion investment from Microsoft, is at the forefront of artificial intelligence research and development. However, a significant bottleneck has emerged: the scarcity of AI chips. These specialized chips, which are crucial for the advancement of AI technologies, are not only in short supply but also come with a hefty price tag, making them inaccessible for widespread use. The pace at which improvements in AI chip technology are needed far outstrips current capabilities, highlighting a critical gap in the tech ecosystem. Altman's goal is as clear as it is challenging: to ensure that AI chips become affordable, plentiful, and remain on the cutting edge of technology. To achieve this, OpenAI plans to invest in chip companies, construct additional factories, and explore groundbreaking chip technologies. Such an ambitious project aims not only to meet the current demand, but also to catalyze a new era of technological innovation and accessibility. Funding for this titanic endeavor could come from a variety of sources, with sovereign wealth funds from countries like the UAE and Saudi Arabia, as well as industry giants like SoftBank's Vision Fund and Taiwan Semiconductor being prime candidates. However, this venture is not without its potential threats and criticisms. The massive scale of resources required for this project has been a point of contention. Critics argue that the environmental impact, including the vast amounts of water and rare earth minerals required, could be astronomical. These concerns are not unfounded, as AI technologies have already been reported to significantly increase resource consumption, with Microsoft's AI tools spiking water usage by 34% and training for OpenAI's GPT-3 consuming over 700,000 liters of water. Sam Altman's vision to transform the global chip landscape is not just about meeting the demands of today's technology. It's also about laying the groundwork for tomorrow's innovations, ensuring that the benefits of AI can be widely accessed and utilized. While the road ahead is fraught with both financial and environmental hurdles, the potential rewards, which are revolutionizing technology, democratizing AI, and catalyzing global innovation, present a compelling case for why Sam wants chips and, perhaps, why we should too. Listen to Daniel and I talk about this on the Weekend Podcast, posted Saturdays at 7 a.m.
Talk to doctor now and share it. Nearly 1 in 2 U.S. adults have high blood pressure. That's why it's important to self-monitor your blood pressure in 4 easy-to-remember steps. It starts with a monitor. Be next to talk to your doctor about your blood pressure numbers. Get down with your blood pressure. Self-monitoring is power. Visit managerbp.org. Brought to you by the Ad Council, the American Heart Association, and the American Medical Association, in partnership with the Office of Minority Health and Health Resources and Services Administration.
Pips?
Pick of the day!
Arbitrage algorithms have detected a possible downtrend because this is Fall Down Friday. And the culprit is JPM Smucker Company. That's SJM, and they manufacture and market food and beverage products. It closed Thursday at $124.40, 52-week high of $152.92, and a 52-week low of $107.33. We are not financial advisors. We provide a service. Please do your own research.
Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC is a privately held research company. Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC is solely responsible for the preparation and distribution of the contents of this podcast. The opinions offered in this podcast are for informational purposes only and are not intended to function as investment advice. Seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. For more information about the informational research and services offered by Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC, please visit arbitragetrade.com.